by and take a look at the 2000 Crown Victoria. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4.6-liter engine and comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.